Hi, in this lesson, we're going to learn how to add comments to your code. When writing programs, there are two things to consider. Functionality. Does the program work? Does the program do what it's supposed to and run without errors? Well, in addition to that, there's a second part to consider. Good style. Does your program have good style? Good style includes several things, but the basic idea is that your code is written in a way that is efficient and clear to others if they need to read it. It is a very important part of programming, and we need to be able to write code that is readable, code that others can understand in case they have to help debug or help maintain the code in the future. So an important part of writing programs is good style with comments. Introducing comments. Comments are a way for us to leave notes about what our code does in plain English. Although code is run by computers, it is read by other people. Coding is usually done in teams, in groups, and so comments help others and you understand what your code is trying to do. There are two types of comments, multi-line comments and single-line comments. JavaScript multi-line comments, also known as block comments, start with a / followed by an asterisk, and end with an asterisk followed by a /. Everything between the starting and ending marks is ignored by the computer. We can also do a single-line comment. These are done by using 2 slashes on any line. Once a computer sees the double slash, it'll ignore the remainder of that line of code, but start reading automatically on the next line. Notice that a single line comment doesn't have anything to end the comment. The comments just end automatically at the next line. So what exactly do we put in comments? Well, one of the most important things that we should comment about are the preconditions and postconditions of a function that we write. Preconditions are the assumptions that we make and what must be true before the function is called. The postconditions are what will be true after the function is called. So for all of our functions, we should be writing preconditions and postconditions. Let's dive in and see how we can add some comments to our program.